Hello, Scott Milgren here with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have one of our new 2022 Mastercraft XT-25s sitting on a tandem axle trailer with the new tower with some accents in the tower with it all blacked out. Very sharp looking. Trailer does have a swing tongue on it. The XT-25 is of course a traditional nose on it. Get around the boat here and we'll jump up on the inside and show you the interior. Of course, this now has their new SurfStar system to help you get those perfect waves dialed in all the time. Walking up in the boat, you'll see this boat does have a transom remote for the stereo and the cool feel black interior, which is really sharp with the black and tan. Does have the transom reverse seat here in the back. You'll notice the GoPro mounts up on the tower release, and of course the new blacked out board racks. You'll see there's a spot for your cell phone holders now. Some chargers in there. So you kind of come up with some additional great storage areas. Area for a trash can right there. This boat we have equipped with the dual screen. With the XT-25 with the size, you do get this nice flip seat. So you can have two passengers riding backwards there. It's very nice. Huge cockpit in this boat, being the XT-25. Boat is rated for 18 people, so get all your friends and family on board and get out and have a great day. And again, nice spacious roomy bow, and you'll notice again USB ports up in the bow area as well. All pop-up cleats all the way throughout the boat. Does come with a bimini, very nice and easy to fold. Getting some storage here for the driver. And a wireless charger as well for the driver. So very well laid out boat. If you have any more questions, you'd like some more interest on this boat, you can reach us anytime. We're happy to help. We of course have several other Mastercrafts available and in stock ready to go as well right now. So we would be happy to help you find the right boat for you. Thank you for taking a look. Look forward to hearing from you.